Hey there, folks. Yes, we have more stickers. First off, we have Dave from the Cricket River in Eastern. If you're able to, on Thursday mornings around 9 a.m. Eastern, we have Morning Brew. Dave does a live stream, and basically a bunch of us just get together and chat. Wide variety of topics, eh? All right. Second, we have the Tri-Goglin, aka Peppy. Does some awesome rail fan videos. And yeah, so go check his channel out. And last but not least, we have the Second Section Podcast, which is a bi-weekly podcast. So I would suggest, if you can, come check out when they record the podcast on the live stream. One of my favorite segments is the short line of the show. So basically, they're going in alphabetical order, state by state, featuring a short line within that state, showing maps and what that short line does. It's pretty cool. And they always have like a lot of special guests, great conversations in the chat. So check them out. Second Section Podcast. All links will be in the description below. All right, folks, there we go. Dave, Cricket River and Eastern. Peppy, Tri-Goglin, and Second Section Podcast. New stickers on the air filtration.